Okay, guys, toe kick, size, and explanation. This is a little bit of a tricky toe kick because of the wine captain beverage fridge. Typically, the toe kick is recessed back about 3 inches. As we see here, we have a panel on the side. The front of that panel is 1.5 inches wide. We will fabricate a piece to come down 4 inches, the height of the toe kick, and it is attached to the inside of this panel. So this panel on the face is 1.5 inches, and the panel thickness behind that mitered front is 3/4. So the max recess we can have is 3/4 inch on the left side of this. So for continuity, that means that the toe kick can only be recessed back 3/4 inch on the face of this cabinet. We can still do a decorative toe kick, but the top of that decorative toe kick will be literally 1/8 inch below the bottom of this drawer. And 1/8 inch is a typical seam between drawers. On the other side of the island, we don't have that issue. But again, for continuity, I suggest keeping this side the same 3/4 inch toe kick. Back and front, or front and back, we can still recess about 3 inches. But that decorative toe kick obviously needs to terminate here because it can't go across the front. So we can do that arch here and do an arch here, which will be recessed back about 3 inches. So if we look at the top of this, this is the toe kick outline. So we can see our little issue here with that fridge. This is a sketch of the toe kick. 84 inches is cabinet front to cabinet front, including the door. So that 84, you'll probably have about 1.5 inch overhang of granite and granite. So granite would be 87. So again, 84 is cabinet side to side. Toe kick from corner to corner is 82 3/8. And this would be the sketch of the toe kick. 24 inches wide, that front panel, which is 3/4, and a 3/4 inset here, and 3 11/16 inset from the face of the cabinet to the face of the toe kick, front and back. Back of the toe kick, front of the toe kick, that's our number. Width of the toe kick, that's our number. Your cooktop is here. So wherever you guys want to position that in the room is fine. If that works, we could get this built, bring it over, and just set it in place, and they can do flooring around it. And after the flooring is done, we'd have to come pick it back up and get it painted. And one other thing to show you with the cabinets. Your cooktop cabinet, drawer stack cabinet. So this is void space. So it would be a good idea to have the ducting come up in this space. And we have, it is 34 11/16 by 8 inches. Obviously, to get the ducting in that empty space in the, let's see if I can do this quickly. That empty space, so your drawers don't have to be shortened up. They could still be full depth. Otherwise, if that ducting goes down in this cabinet, all your drawers are going to be cut pretty short. So anyway, hope that helps. Give me a call if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.